Hold it. Easy, easy. Oh, no. Come on, do it again.
This is it. Here we go.
So keep your handcuffs handy. Ready, go against that wall.
Prepare yourself.
Listen, as I drop my stack. Drop my stack.
Can you smell it? It's been freshly cut. And it's all left.
If you have better things to do than waste your time on real
hip-hop, like that, like that.
The producers accept no responsibility for any mental trauma caused by the content.
Looks like you're stuck with me.
It's a nice way to be stuck.
Why, you sure have a funny way of showing it.
Sweetheart, I'm not an exhibitionist.